Hi Zedi, I hope you are well with your work, and I will create the Facebook reports on Google Analytics 4, and I hope that you have to set up the UTM parameter on your ads section in Facebook ads. So I am create the Facebook ads in Google Analytics 4. If you go to the reports section, and then here you can see that I have created a Facebook ads menu, that is the custom report for Facebook ads. If I am go to the Facebook ads reporting, you can see that overview report, and if you select the session source and medium, and you have to find out the Facebook CPC or Facebook paid, and in the report section you can see that your new user total revenue and transaction and the event per sessions, and also event count per active user, and then average purchase revenue, and also adding the bounce rate and the total user, finally purchase revenue and purchases. You have to find out each and everything Facebook paid or CPC. And if you expand it more, here you have an option to see the report according to your need. If I am select the city, and then you have to see that each and every city wise what is your event, and what is the actual bounce rate and user purchase review, all of that. So when you set up the Facebook ads, and here you have to target your individual city. So by this report, you have to optimize your ads, which city you have to giving the more importance and which are not, and what is the actual revenue for the city wise. And then you can also your report for the session medium, and here is the only one, that is the CPC, and by ad plot you have a user and all of data in right set. You can say that if I am second one, that is the Facebook ads item pay, and in this report you have to find out your all product list, which product are performing more, and you can see that item viewed, and left side you can find out your all product and item viewed and item to cart, item purchase, and item revenue. Here you have to find out the all of your product, individual product details. So you have to more focus on your individual product which are generated more revenue for your business. So you have to find out each and every product in this report, and by the way you have to see that which product are collecting more revenue and which product are more purchased. And that third one is not necessary because Facebook ads and Instagram are all the same, but I am create the another one, that is the Instagram item report, and you have to find out that from which user coming from your Instagram and which product are more sales from the Instagram platform. I hope that you can, if you take the business decision for the individual product, and you can also create the your reels in Instagram platform, which product are more sales. So that is the report for Facebook ads and Instagram. If you need any kind of report for your Facebook ads or Google ads, you can ping me. Take care. Bye bye.